Welcome back. Okay, today we're doing implicit differentiation to solve implicit function. So we got this is a function we're given. So we want to find dy dx equal to negative y over x. Okay, we're doing question A first. Before I do that, please don't forget subscribe to this channel so you do not miss the latest updates. So we now approach to 100 episodes for the channel. So I hope you can come back, but by subscribing the channel, so if you click the bell, so you will get the latest. Also give you the whole list of the 100 videos. So you don't have to search for it. All right, thank you for doing that. So let's start doing the solution for question A. So we want to do the differentiation, implicit differentiation. So what does that mean? So we need to remember y is a function of x. So we say dy in relation to x, so it means you have to consider this as with respect to x, which is we call f dash. All right, so what I'll do is I'm going to start doing the first. I'm going to do, so copy this question down first. So I'm going to make, all right, so let's copy this question down. So we got, okay, let's do the first one. First one is that we call a product because we got two functions, x squared and y squared. Let's do the product rule. So do the x squared to x, copy y squared down, plus copy x squared down, then derivative 2y. So remember y squared then times by y, derivative y. So with respect to x, so I'll put a y dash. So that's the implicit differentiation. So don't forget this is two levels. You composite function. So then you do the product of x times by y. We do the same thing. So derivative of x is 1, so we put a y plus copy x, derivative of y is y dash. Equal to 0. 2 derivative of 2 is 0. So now I'm going to factorize. So I'm going to put those two terms together. So I'm going to move 2 together. So therefore, I'm going to say 2x y squared plus y. I'll put in a bracket, plus then these two together. I'm going to put x squared plus 2, times, but I'm going to put a 2x squared y and plus x in the bracket and put a y dash equal to 0. All right, so now next step, we're going to move this entire term to the left. So therefore, 2 lots of x. Actually, I'm going to do let's do move first. So I'm going to copy this 2x squared y plus x times y dash equal to negative 2x squared plus y. So therefore, y dash will be negative of, so I'm going to take a y common factor out. So it'll be 2xy plus 1. So because you take y as common factor, then the same as we take the x factor out, so divided by 2xy plus 1 as well. So you can see when I take the common factor, so those two are the same, we cancel it out. So therefore, the answer is negative y over x. So that's it. We prove that's the solution we already done. So that's dy dx. All right, so question A, question B, we do the same. Question A, B is we call, because the slope of tangent, so which is dy dx equal to negative y, according to the question A, we know dy dx is a negative y over x, which is given is negative 1. So therefore, we will say y is equal to x. So we have that. So then we substitute into the original equation, we can solve for x, also for y. So I'm going to replace x with y doesn't matter which one. I'm going to use y's related to substitute x, so it'll be x squared times by x squared plus x times by x equal to 2. So therefore, x to the power 4 plus x squared minus 2 equal to 0. So that's solved for, this is a to the power 4. We can do a factorize into 2 vectors, so which is x squared. This time is plus 2 and x squared minus 1 equal to 0. So obviously the first null factor cannot be equal to 0. So therefore, if I want to be, so therefore we only got one possibility is x minus 1 equal to 0. So you can solve for x squared equal to 1. So you'll get x equal to positive and negative 1. So now because y equal to x, so therefore your y also equal to positive and negative 1. So because x is equal, so therefore you got the points, you got 2 points. So the first point of the tangent is 1, 1, or the other one is negative 1, negative 1. So both are correct. So we solve the question B. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget, give us the thumbs up. Thank you.